Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you enjoy customizing your music or creating unique ringtones, you're in for a treat today. We'll be exploring some of the best MP3 Cutter apps for Android that make trimming and editing audio files a breeze. With these user-friendly tools, you can easily select your favorite parts of songs and turn them into personalized audio clips. Let's dive in and discover the perfect apps for your audio editing needs. Music Audio Editor, MP3 Cutter. Music Audio Editor, MP3 Cutter is a versatile app that allows users to easily trim and edit audio files. With its intuitive interface, users can quickly import MP3 files, select the desired portion of the audio, and save it as a new file. The app supports various audio formats, ensuring flexibility in audio editing. Along with cutting, it offers additional features such as merging audio tracks and adjusting volume levels, making it a comprehensive audio editing tool. Whether you're creating ringtones or extracting sections from songs, Music Audio Editor provides an effective and user-friendly experience. Audio Editor Maker MP3 Cutter. Audio Editor Maker MP3 Cutter is a feature-rich audio editing app that focuses on enabling users to cut, merge, and manipulate MP3 files effortlessly. The app provides a clear waveform view, allowing users to visualize audio tracks and make precise edits. You can set start and end points with ease, and also apply fade-in and fade-out effects for a smooth listening experience. Additionally, the app supports multiple audio formats, making it versatile for various editing needs. This app is ideal for those looking for a simple yet powerful audio editing tool to tailor their audio tracks. MP3 Cutter, MP3 Converter. MP3 Cutter, MP3 Converter is a straightforward and efficient app designed to cut MP3 files and convert audio formats. Users can import their audio files and trim them down to the desired length with just a few taps. The app also includes a converter feature, allowing users to change audio files into different formats, such as WAV or AAC. With its easy-to-navigate interface and essential editing capabilities, this app is perfect for users who want a no-fuss solution for both cutting and converting audio files. Whether you need a quick edit or a format change, MP3 Cutter is a reliable choice. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best MP3 Cutter apps helps you find the perfect tool for all your audio editing projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try for your music editing? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time.